Hey, now we're videoing. Now we're videoing.
There we go.
The amazing thing is that it always starts on the first pole. Unlike all the other bikes that we've carried up here. Last time. What? Sounds good. Are we having fun yet? I believe the exhaust pipe is gutted, not much in there, but
It wants a lot more fuel.
yeah.
I found it way up in Audible, so you can run higher up.
So I'm going to sit here and watch it go back and forth. Hey, you dropped something. I don't exactly know where he's going. Oh no, so he can't go over there. You know, I bet he's going to get in trouble again. Whatever. He's... I don't even know why. Why? Why do I do this to myself?
Brother, you telling me Joe bailed out on him again, and you saved the day twice?
Well, it was a different Joe this time.
Oh, different Joe,
It
huh?
was a different Joe. And the other Joe, he said he wanted to come up here and race. Maybe no, I think it was a different Joe than the Joe that didn't go the last time. So we got two Joes bailing.
Oh, really?
Last minute and stuff. So here he comes. Let's see if he makes it back without crashing. And of course, he expects me to hear this on the starting line all the way over there.
Is he hauling balls? Looks like it.
He's... Well, it's still sputtering and kicking and a sputtering. I mean, he's moving along pretty good.
You can hear it. Is it running shitty?
It don't sound like it's running good. Once again, I can
That's so
hear.
weird.
I can hear it, but you can't hear it that well. You know, he's yelling at me like, couldn't you hear I wasn't running? I'm like, dude, they got the freaking ice cream guy comes by.
Brad, how do you go all the way up there and not take jets for that thing, dude?
I woke, he said he went to bed at 1. I didn't get much sleep last night either. I woke him up at 5. He said, give me 45 minutes. It was an hour and a half before I finally got up there because I had to load everything from scratch. And then he just started loading stuff in. I was like, okay, another bucket of stuff, some more stuff, some of this, some of that. He just didn't bring everything, which is fine. I mean, he's...
Everything but the thing to tune the bike. That is wild.
Yeah, it's that
Listen,
little...
man, the jets he was telling me that he was running on this seemed pretty large to me. Like, much larger than what I run on my shovel. Obviously, I don't have a giant shovel, but... 71? I don't know.
I bet the lake folks will be happy about it. Oop. Oh, there goes my truck.
Is he allowed to be doing what he's doing?
I don't know. It's off the racetrack. So yeah, it's basically these other off-roaders that do the same thing. You see that little truck out there? That's a Chevy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the size if I go to Class C, that's the size I want. And then my trailer would be about twice the size of that.
Oh,
Just leave it there. I'll pull over there. Just leave it there. Just park it. I'll pull the trailer around. No? Never mind.
Can't hear you. What'd you say?
I said leave it there. I'll pull the truck over. Never mind. You know what you're doing.
The low speed circuit is completely plugged up.
Low speed circuit's plugged up. Sorry, I'll show you up here. Low speed's plugged up.
Damn fucking helmet. Stupid race helmet. Ah, damn, things can never get these
How'd
things
the
open.
tank look? Was there trash in the tank?
Was there trash in the tank?
Trash in the carburetor. Probably everything. Yeah, it's low speed, just won't run at all. It lights the tire up easy though, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, firing them up once you gotta get it going.
I mean, right here, I just lit that sucker. So, yeah, look at that.
We're expecting the do-wrong police to show up. You're doing something wrong out there.
Yeah, I'm in the fucking off-road vehicle part on my off-road vehicle, or on my street bike.
Well,
Registered
they'll come up with a rule. It's another Tatro rule.
No, they can't do shit. And I'm over here in the area where they don't really have any control. Somewhere over here is private property.
Daddy, come here.
It's actually private property
Daddy.
over here someplace.
Come here, baby.
I don't see any flashing lights, so I guess we're okay for
How's
now.
it sound on the going down the road there?
It sounded pretty good. I mean,
Some silver.
when you were off the throttle, it was putting, you know.
Yep.
That's
otherwise-
because there's no low speed circuit.
Right, well then.
Even at idle, it doesn't want to idle, but when you get about third to half throttle, all of a sudden it just takes off. You know, when
Yeah.
it comes on the main job.
No, it's when you got it going. When it got going, it's going along pretty good. How fast?
The carburetor's good through here.
How fast did you get it up to?
70 as fast as I saw.
Well, hopefully you were looking down the whole time
I
instead
wasn't
of
looking going that direction.
Yeah.
You got a little squirrely taking off there, but it really got squirrely down there. I hit it too large and low gear, lit it sideways. And
Yeah,
jig and jag. Going through the dips over there, the mud trucks.
yeah. There, you can take over.
So what do you think, Luke? You think it'll do 152?
Oh, yeah, at least. Yeah, you might have been close to the muck barrier.
152 on a 6-degree incline down a paved road
We are going to put some V-rated tires on it, though.
with a big tailwind.
Something was dragging. What was dragging when I pushed it over here? You hear it?
No, I didn't. Dude, I don't pay attention to anything. You know I'm deaf.
Just show them it's legal.
Yeah. It's legal. Can you believe it? Actually has a 2025 plate.
She's legal. Got to get my insurance claim pictures. Show it leaking oil in the leg. That thing carburetes nicely. She comes on.
What's he going to do? Is he going to pull it apart and try to clean it up? Or is it
No, this is it. We're done.
No, I'm done. It's
Done,
broken.
gonna load and go.
I think the motor's broken in now. Do you think it's broken in yet? I didn't break it, so it must be good.
How did it feel like it was running out there?
Oh, well, it's kind of squirrely when you get too much throttle.
How is it when you're going fast? Is it stable or?
Yeah,
is
it seems to be.
squirrely?
It is, seems to be. But I'm going to redo the front end anyway. So anyway, it
Did you
runs
end up
good.
putting that stabilizer on there yet?
No, I haven't done anything. You are dangerous back there. I can tell where the Indian was at. It left its spot. All right, so where did I drive it at? So there's where I let the clutch out taken off. And this long mark right here appears to be where I juiced it. And you can see where I juiced it down there too on the downshift. It got a big mark down there from sliding the rear tire. And this here just lit the tire up. And then it kind of kept spinning a little bit. It does the same thing when I went that direction there too. It really did it hard out the other end down there when I hit it. It got really sideways through 2 gears. What, are you getting thirsty? All right, so we have a low speed circuit issue in the carburetor. Either that 5-year-old gas is coming out of the fuel tank and plugging it, or the carburetor itself, I didn't clean adequately and it plugged it. But other than that, it runs good. So, I think the jetting was pretty damn good before I fattened it up.
It's going to take a hard right here.
You gonna make a hard right? Maybe I should close the door. There you go, sir. Look at the aerodynamics on that bike. It's a cream puff. Now, for some reason that belt drive primary has oil and it's leaking. I don't know why. I drained it out too, but it's some residue obviously. Oh, turn your ignition switch off when you're not using it. Fred, you didn't turn the ignition off.
Is the battery good there?
I can't tell. Nothing works on the bike except the... I'm good. The only thing that works on the bike is the on-off switch and the starter button. The only thing that matters. So this turn signal just about fell off just coming on a dirt road. Took this one off. So appears the only thing that's rattling off so far is the dash here. I'll put a lock nut on that next time. These did not come off, surprisingly. This is getting looser and that screw is tight. It won't loosen, but I'm going to have to do a better job of pulling that on. I have to have that on for racing. Other than that, everything else is pretty good. I'm happy with it. Definitely runs stronger than it did, I'm sure. Alright, we're going to try to load this thing up somehow. That ought to be interesting. See if I drop it again. Alright, that's it for now.